today is the fucking day, lads.
Yeah, the first ad for Weasleys Wizard Wheezes is out in the Daily Prophet today.
Yeah, let's check it out.
The paper's here, boys. Get your ass over here and check this shit out. And I think I found your ad.
Free money. Did someone say motherfucking free money?
That's right, lads. Free money indeed here with Gringotts Free Loans. It sounds too good to be true. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, so make sure you read the fine print before signing any magical contract.
Gringotts Bank, we make your problems temporarily disappear.
Dad, are you fucking high? That is an ad for Gringotts Bank.
Only a little wake and bake, boys. I'm sure we will find your ad in here somewhere.
Oh, here it is, boys. This has to be it.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, oh Lord. I can feel it coming in the air.
Chocolate frogs, don't let them escape, because that is just fucking annoying.
No, Dad, you muppet. That's an ad for a bloody chocolate frog. Keep looking.
Oh, here it is, boys. I found it.
Oi, welcome to the shop your mum warned you about, where every single product makes someone shout. When you make the puking potions class, hit 'em with a nougat and watch that ass blast. We got fake ones that turn into dildos, mate. A fart cloud so thick it'll gas out snake. Exploding candy snot flavoured mist. Wanna piss off a prefect? Add this to your list.
It's Weasleys, 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 Wizard Wheezes. It's Weasleys, 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 Wizard Wheezes.
Hope you enjoyed that one, lads, and catch us on YouTube, TikTok and Insta. That is Vlogwartz with a Z.